It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Everywhere you go, take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy cans and silver lands that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door.
A pair of hop-elder boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben.
Dolls that we talk and we'll go for a walk with the hope of Janice and Jen.
And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again.
It's beginning to look a lot
like Christmas.
Everywhere you go, there's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. It's a sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be
On your own front